How to set up a small business bookkeeping system. Bookkeeping involves keeping track of your day-to-day transaction, categorizing them, reconciling your bank statements, and so much more. Let's learn more about this in today's video. Setting up the system. One of the first things that you need to do is to set up a business bank account. This is where all your business transactions need to go through, whether it's an expense or a revenue. It's important that you remember that your personal transactions cannot go through this bank account. Not only would this create the tedious task of having to sort all of your transactions on a regular basis, but it would be frowned upon if you were ever audited. This would also be a good time to set up a credit card for your business. Not only would this help to build up your business's credit, you wouldn't be using your personal card again and again and having to sort out your transactions. Bookkeeping software. The next thing to set up right away is your bookkeeping software. Not only will this software save you time, it can improve your accuracy with keeping track of your money and business. By having a conversation with a bookkeeping specialist such as Valley Business Center, they can help you choose a software program that is best suited to your business for features as well as cost. As you're setting up the bookkeeping system for your business, you'll need to make sure that you're accurately watching your business expenses. Part of this process is keeping all of your receipts, whether that be on paper, electronically, or even by photo. Some software programs have this feature built into their program already. Some people like to toss all the receipts into a pile and then get to them later. But it's better to get in the habit of organizing all of your receipts sooner than later, since you'll need to take all these transactions and enter them into the system and the software program. It's better to do this on a weekly basis or more frequently if your business generates a lot of receipts. When you're entering your transactions into your software, you're not only entering the invoices or bills, but also any money that is coming in. This not only keeps track of your books and keeps it up to date so that you can see how your business is doing, but entering all of your transactions right away, it'll help you categorize the receipts accurately. Your receipts are going to be entered and coded according to your chart of accounts using your system. The software that you've installed may ask you to set up a chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is simply a list of all the financial transactions that your company will do, broken into subcategories. Now that you have your bank account set up as well as your software program, you need to reconcile these. Even though some programs can sync your bank account statements with your software, this is still an important step. First, you need to make sure that there are no errors on yours or your bank side. Second, you'll need to adjust accordingly for any service fees or interest that is on your bank statement. Ideally, your cash account balance will match your bank statement. You may have to adjust for items that haven't cleared your bank, but that is easily rectified. You just need to add or delete those on the bottom of your bank statement, so that you can see the revised number. If the numbers don't match, you'll need to look for the problem. Your cash flow statement. Your cash flow statement is going to show you exactly that. How much actual cash your business has received during a period of time. If you compare your cash flow statement to your income statement and they're significantly different, you're not getting paid fast enough and you'll likely want to change that. Your income statement. Your income statement of profit and loss statement shows you how profitable your business has been during a certain period of time. From this statement, you can determine if you're earning enough profit for the work you've completed, or if you're spending more than you're earning, which is a loss. A balance sheet. A balance sheet will show your assets, liabilities, and any equity at a moment in time. This will help you evaluate if your business is in good financial shape. Your assets will include any cash, equipment, whether office or otherwise, like vehicles, buildings, and so on. Having these reports available to you not only helps you to keep track of your financial records, they allow you to see how your business is performing. As well, maintaining your books allows you to look back at previous years so that you can see if there are consistent patterns and hopefully improvements. Taxes. You may prefer to outsource your bookkeeping, whether for time accuracy or because it's not something you want to do. It's important to understand how bookkeeping works, though, and how, as a business owner, you can track expenses and revenue. In your bookkeeping system, you'll be able to delineate between earned income and upcoming expenses. Additionally, in your bank account that is linked to your system, you should have a dedicated tax account where this money will sit. These are some of the best ways to set up a bookkeeping system for your small business. When you're starting out, it may always be smart to talk or consult with an accountant or bookkeeping firm to make sure everything gets set up properly and works as it should. Need help from an expert? We understand that bookkeeping may seem overwhelming to you, but one of our experts at Valley Business Center helped. For over 30 years, Valley Business Center has been providing comprehensive bookkeeping, payroll, and tax services to our clients in Whistler, Squamish, the Sea to Sky Corridor, and Metro Vancouver, BC areas. Valley Business Center provides reliable and effective services to all clients. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button to hear more helpful information. Thank you so much for watching this video.